Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to crochet on stone. So here I made this net pattern with chain stitches and single crochet stitches. I have also shared this stone fish in my previous video. I will give you the link above and use this for your crochet decoration. So before we start to make this stone work, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to make this work on. To make this I'm going to use this thin cotton thread, and for this thread I'm going to use crochet hook of size 1.5 mm, and I have this stone. This is 2 inch in length and 1.5 inch in width, but you can use any size of this stone. So first we are going to make a ring. Here I'm going to use a magic ring. Once you have a ring, in this ring we are going to make 12 single crochet stitches. So first make chain 1, and into this ring we are going to make 12 single crochet. So 12 single crochets. Now just pull this loose end to close this ring. So here I made 12 single crochets according to the size of my stone, but if you have a large size stone you can increase the stitches, or if you have a small size stone you can make the lesser count of these stitches. So according to the size of your stone you can make this starting stitches. Now take your hook, on top of very first single crochet skip the starting chain 1, and top of that make one slip stitch. Now make chain 5. After chain 5 skip next single crochet, top of next single crochet make one single crochet. Then make chain 5, skip next single crochet, top of next single crochet make one single crochet. So like this we are going to repeat this stitches. Make chain 5, skip next single crochet, top of next single crochet make one single crochet. So at the end of this round you will have total 6 chain 5 loops. So like this we have total 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 chain 5 space. Now take your hook in this chain 5 space and make one slip stitch. Now we are going to work in this chain 5 spaces. So again make chain 5, take your hook in this next chain 5 space and make one single crochet. So we got this stitch. Again make chain 5, take your hook in next chain 5 space and make one single crochet, chain 5, one single crochet, chain 5 space, chain 5, 1 single crochet in next chain 5 space. So we have 1 2 3 4, again chain 5, 1 single crochet, 5, and in starting stitch make 1 single crochet. So like this we have 6 chain 5 space again. Now you just repeat this stitches, take your hook in next chain 5 space, make 1 slip stitch, then make chain 5, then take your hook in next chain 5 space, make 1 single crochet. So like this you just repeat these stitches until you get the required length for your stone. So I will repeat these stitches and work till I get to this end. So once you reach the required length for your stone, place this stone inside. So for me it's total 8 rounds. So according to the size of your stone, this number of rows may be increase or decrease. In next chain 5 space, take your hook and make 2 single crochets. Then take your hook in next chain 5 space and here make 2 single crochet. So like this make 2 single crochets in remaining chain 5 spaces. So once you meet all 2 single crochets in chain 5 space, just pull this thread and cut with some margin. Now take this thread in a needle. So if you want you can keep this gap like this also, but I'm going to close this center part and going to make like this. So what you have to do, take your needle. So we have made 2 single crochets, so take the front loop of next single crochet like this, then take the front loop of next single crochet and pull this needle and pull this thread, then take the front loop of next 2 single crochet, then pull this needle and thread. So like this take the front loop of each single crochet stitch and pull this thread, so by that this gap will get closed. So we close the center and we get the same ends. So this is done. So I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.